Wow, this is so itchy. I think I'm going to take my jaw off. Was that really itchy? Ah. You know you're not supposed to be up on this bed, right? Right? Oh, nice. Real nice. Okay. Now what? You're trying to figure out how to get... This is how he goes under the covers. I'm not going to help you. You want help? Cody? Cody? You want... Whoa, excuse me. Sorry. Did you want help? You wanted to get under? Alright, go ahead. He loves it under here. Gotta get going soon, Cody. To the doctor. Oh, he's good. Oh, boy, he's good. Well, get your butt. Get the rest of you covered up. Oh, all by himself. That's all him. Wow, that was good, Cody. That was good. Oh, boy. You'd never know he was under there. That was so good.